All right, so I want to do a quick review on bicycle seats. I'm a beginner when it comes to being back into the biking industry. Just got me a new e-bike, and I love, just trying to get out, exercise, and explore the city a lot more. So this is the factory seat that actually came with it. I found it to be kind of uncomfortable just because, it ended up hurting inside of my thigh bone legs at some point. So I added this gel pad seat, which did help out for quite some time, but I didn't think it would be the actual solution. The next step is I went to this Schwinn bicycle seat, oversized seat. It's pretty nice. It's got the shock or no shock in the back, just straight suspension, but it is memory foam to where it is pretty soft. I felt it to be uncomfortable just because you had basically two pinpoints right here where it just wasn't for me. So I went with the third and last choice, which is this seat right here. This thing may look ridiculous. My friends have already made fun of me, but this thing actually contours and pushes down and levels out as you ride. And this is by far the most comfortable seat that I've been able to experience. It's just, I can go miles on this thing forever. So the brand on it, it's an X-Wing, and you can buy it on Amazon. So I hope this helps anybody out there that wants an idea as far as what seats go for and comfort, being that I'm new to this, and that's what I'd go with. Hope this helps. Have a great day.